In this video, I'll guide you step by step on creating a ledger in Zoho Books, making it easier to manage your accounts and streamline your financial tracking. Start by logging into Zoho Books and navigating to the Accountant tab on the left sidebar. Here, click on Chart of Accounts. This is where all your ledger accounts are listed. Next, click the plus new account button at the top right corner to create a new ledger. Fill in the details on the form. Allows account name. The name you'll use to identify this account, like fixed assets, laptops, account type. Choose from asset, liability, income, expense, or equity. This categorization is key for accurate financial reporting. Helps with internal referencing as your ledger grows. Description. Add extra details to clarify the account's purpose. Tick this box if you want this account displayed on your dashboard for easy monitoring. Once everything is filled out, click Save and your new ledger account is ready to use. That's it. With your ledger set up, tracking transactions, and managing your finances in Zoho Books becomes much smoother. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.